everybody! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content at Bailey.s Stewart. It's a full day of eating what I eat in a day to build muscle. I aim for my body weight in protein. Protein and calories are really the only thing that I track, kind of like to get an idea to make sure I'm hitting roughly around as much protein as I should be to build muscle. So my weight, I haven't weighed myself in a while, but I believe I'm 135, around there, 135 pounds. So I usually aim to get at least 135 grams of protein a day. I'm bulking around 3,000 calories a day. What? Okay, so I'm gonna drink my greens and reds from 1UP. I drink this every morning. It has digestive enzymes in it, pre and probiotics. It helps support your immune system and it helps with digestion. This is the lemonade flavor, and I also have recently started mixing it with super magnesium. I get the unflavored, that way I can combine it. There's a ton of studies of how magnesium helps promote like your brain function, memory, mood. It says you can take it any time of the day. So I just mix these two. Sometimes I'll mix the greens and Kickstart. Code Bailey will save you 10% if you want to try. I'm going to be taking 1UP's pre-workout, but it's stim-free. It helps with performance, endurance, pump, focus, and mood, and Miami Vice is my favorite flavor. We're going to mix this up and then head to the gym. All right. Pre-workout, and then my little snack before I go, I'm going to be eating nuts. These are my two favorite, just cashews, salted, always have to be salted for me, and then Blue Diamond salt and vinegar almonds. Best thing ever. Okay, so I'm gonna mix my unflavored creatine in with my 1UP Clear Whey blue raspberry protein. It's like 20 grams of protein, only 80 calories. I like the citrus punch or blue raspberry flavor, but I also alternate with the unflavored. That way I can mix it in with my protein shake. That way I don't have to drink both. I can get it done in one go. So I'm gonna mix these up and then have lunch, which I went and got Chipotle, so. Okay, so for lunch, I'm having it Chipotle. I got carnitas, guac, lettuce, cheese, corn, rice, brown rice, and I like to dip my bowl in with these. They're the Tostito lime chips. They're so good. I like it better than Chipotle's chips. Ew, this is like a huge, this is a whole avocado. I don't really restrict myself when it comes to food. Obviously, it's all about balance. And realistically, I know a lot of people don't have time to make a homemade meal for every meal they eat. So I think even if you do have to eat out or go out and buy something versus make it yourself, it's so important not to be super hard on yourself, because you can still make gains and have a Chipotle bowl. You can still make gains and eat a piece of pizza. It's all about balance. And I mean, as long as you're not eating it every single day, you'll still make gains. This will not hinder your results or your progress. And it's important to remember that food is fuel. Your body needs this. You just had an intense workout. You need to refuel it. Hey, Kika. Are you ready to eat? Okay, so for dinner, grilled chicken, seasoned it with paprika, salt and pepper, oregano. Air fryer, cutting up some veggies, some avocado to go in this chopped salad. All right, so it's got corn. Okay, so this is dinner. I'm gonna eat this and later I'll mix up my protein shake. This is really good. It's very light. I really want to go. Me and Christine are hopefully going to plan a trip to New York come December. And then I really want to make this happen. We want to go visit Amy in London, hopefully like springtime. I've always wanted to go to the UK. And I miss Amy. Like we haven't, our little BAK back. Haven't seen each other since summer shredding. But we talk like every day over text. So yeah, I know this month we couldn't do it because it was just hectic. And we go to Amy because she came here last time. So if we do go, you guys already know I will be vlogging the whole thing. I always want to do it in England. My tea. We're now gonna make my protein shake. Right, so we've got 1UP vanilla protein powder, Power Greens, Oiko's protein Greek yogurt, avocados, and then strawberry, mango, pineapple blend. Now we're gonna put a little bit of avocado, some fruit, and then the tub of Oiko's Greek yogurt. We need 3/4. Now we're gonna add a scoop of 1-Up protein powder with a vanilla flavor to give it even more protein. And then we're gonna fill it up with water, just a little bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's definitely thick. I prefer a thick, creamy one. It's not bad, but the vanilla protein powder is like very overpowering, so it doesn't taste super fruity. I'll probably have some candy. I got PR from Smart Sweets, so I have like every flavor. So we're gonna do a little taste test too. Okay, so I got, again, PR from Smart Sweets. So there should be like every one they have, I feel like. So we're gonna do a little taste test. I think the only Smart Sweets I've had were like Swedish fish, but I'm not a Swedish fish gal. So, but it's supposed to be like 3 grams of sugar per bag, low sugar. Oh, some of them are different. Caramel has 1, but we'll start with Swedish fish again. Maybe I had really chili. Oh my god, it's sticking in my teeth. Oh my god, this is a cavity waiting to happen. 130 calories a bag. Okay, these are not terrible. I think they're better than I remember. Not bad. There's a little bit of an aftertaste. All right, so these are these Sour Blast Buddies. Oh, these are tiny. They don't even look that sour. There's like no sour things on it like the Sour Patch Kids. Focus at all. Even chewier than the Swedish fish, and they're just not as sour as I would have expected. They have a little bit of a better flavor, kind of like lemony. So I would say it's, I don't even know. It's a little better than the Swedish fish. And I guess if you want candy but you don't want the sugar, it is a good option, but it definitely ain't as good as the Sour Patch Kids. That one's a little chili. Oh, they're kind of gooey. Oh my god, they're really gooey. I don't like this. Why are these gooier than the gooey candy? I'm not a fan. I don't know. I just don't like. That's like a 3 out of 10 for me. All right, this caramel one really scares me because I'm not a caramel gal. 1 gram of sugar, 140 calories. Oh, they're individually wrapped. All right. So this is what it looks like. Kind of looks like a Tutti Frutti. Oh, this is 0 out of 10. Okay, Sherry's gonna review the caramel Smart Sweet. I think it was disgusting.
Okay, let's see. How you go?
Oh yeah, this is Sherry.
Just like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
the flavor is really weird. It's not normal caramel.
I'm a child who ate Play-Doh. It tastes like Play-Doh. I mean, ugh.
Yeah. All right, next we've got the gummy worms. I'm a big gummy worm gal, so we'll see. I have like the caramel in my mouth. Kind of like chewing a rubber band. Girl, like it's nothing to rave about. The licorice was chewier than this. There's peach rings. Ugh. Oh, the aftertaste is awful. All right, peach rings. Oh, these, see, this is what I was expecting the sour gummy worms to look like. Oh my God. No. Overall, I think it's a no for me. Ugh. I don't really, yeah, I'm not crazy about it, but I'm gonna go shower and then I'm gonna go to bed. Well, I'll probably watch Gilmore Girls till I go to bed, let's be honest. I lay in my bed for like a few hours before I'm actually ready to go to sleep, and I just watch TV. So, I'm gonna end off the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this full day of eating. I will see you guys in my next video.